Hello, in this episode of Race Max Direct Tech, we are talking about head studs for the RB and Barra. Now, once you start making more power and pushing more boost, an upgraded head stud becomes pretty important. Why? Well, essentially, a factory head stud, or even a not very good aftermarket one, is going to stretch as you increase cylinder pressures inside your engine. If it stretches too much, what happens? Well, the head gasket doesn't seal anymore. You can start pressurizing your cooling system. You can get water into the oil. You can get water into the cylinder. All sorts of problems start to happen. Hell, you can even push water out of your block. And if you do that on a drag pass, you're in for a whole world of hurt. So keeping the cylinder head onto the block is one of the most important parts of building a serious engine. Now, when it comes to head studs, most people instantly think ARP, and for good reason. They're proven and they work, but they're not cheap. What if we told you that we could give you a head stud that has the equivalent tensile strength as an L19 and is within 15% of a 625, but for half the price? Pretty good, right? So the head studs we're looking at are from OptiTorque Technologies in the USA. Now, if you haven't heard of them, that's all right. They design and manufacture in-house in America a whole bunch of different nuts, bolts, studs, fasteners, etc. For trucks, for heavy equipment industry, for the rail industry, and they also do a whole bunch of stuff with tractor pulling and performance diesels. And that's good because it means they're used to dealing with high boost and high cylinder temperature and pressures in those sort of applications, which is good because, well, Barra and Ford stuff now is pushing some pretty serious power and some pretty high boost levels. So they're making them for the RB26, RB30 block in both single cam and twin cam application, and you can get them in a 12mm stud size. You can also get them in 1/2 inch, and they're making them for the Ford Barra engine. And we've already used a set inside the TRP Z drag car, which is made over 2,000 horsepower. Pretty good testament to the fact that they work. So if you want more information or you want to buy them, contact the boys at Race Max Direct.